Don't have enough time to make YouTube videos? You actually do. Let me explain. I am Will Griffin. If this is your first time here, you want to see more YouTube related stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the little bell. Okay, so let's talk about your time. Now, I work 60 to 70 hours a week. It's a lot of time. And I still try to find the time to squeeze YouTube in there. Now, I know a lot of you have children, a lot of you have lives, I get it. But if you want to grow your channel and have a successful channel, you need consistency and you need to find the time to upload. I know that may not sound like what you wanted to hear, but that's going to help you grow your channel, because the thing is, consistency really is key. You're going to grow much quicker if you upload at least once a week. What you're going to have to do is find the time. All right, so considering I work a full-time job, what I do is I wake up about an hour early to edit the videos. Now, you can do a basic edit in about an hour. So if you can find the 10-15 minutes throughout the night to film, you can find an hour in the morning to edit and upload. When you have any downtime, you know, when you're about to plop on the couch and watch some TV, this is the couple minutes of downtime that you can use to edit or film or script. Now, I'm gonna do a whole video on scripts because I believe in them, but I don't. Long story. We'll get into that at another time. So when you get that 5-10 minutes to sit down and watch TV, use those 5-10 minutes to do a quick edit. Use those 5-10 minutes to do a quick video. Now, even if your video is 2-3 minutes long and you can still upload it and get your message across in those 2-3 minutes, do it. Now, again, I'm a proponent of quality over quantity, but if you have limited time, you're going to want to do these things. And everybody wants to succeed on YouTube, but you have to put the work in, you have to find the time. And I'm sorry if this isn't the answer you were looking for, but you're gonna have to find the time. Everybody finds the time to do this, so that's what you're gonna wanna do. You're gonna wanna find the time. And even 10 to 15 minutes throughout the day, you can create the videos, you can do the edits. And even if you only get one video up a week, that's okay. But get the one video up a week. After seeing this video, I want you to challenge yourself to get that one video up a week. I want you to challenge yourself to take those 10-15 minutes that you're gonna watch TV and edit. So that's my challenge to you. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely drop a like down below. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And as always, if you enjoyed it, you wanna see more stuff, hit the subscribe button, click the little bell, and I will see you on the next video.